Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a DIY cinnamon shampoo recipe that can help promote rapid hair growth. Cinnamon is known for its stimulating properties, which can boost circulation to the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. Let's get started. Begin by taking your regular shampoo in a clean bowl or container. Add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth. Optionally, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey for its moisturizing properties. This will help to keep your hair hydrated and healthy. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until the cinnamon is well incorporated into the shampoo. Your DIY cinnamon shampoo is now ready to use. Use this shampoo as you would normally wash your hair. Massage it into your scalp for a few minutes to stimulate circulation. Leave it on for a couple of minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. For best results, use this shampoo regularly as part of your hair care routine. There you have it, a simple DIY cinnamon shampoo that you can easily make at home to potentially promote rapid hair growth. Remember, results may vary for each person, so be consistent with your use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.